Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's Wear. In this video I've come up to show you making of this full sleeves designing using the simple technique. You can try this, which is very inexpensive. Putting less efforts, we can create this design easily at home. Let's start with the markings. Here I'd be taking coin for the marking. Use any desired circular shape for the markings like this and overlap it, placing it at the centers and give the markings. I think you can clearly see here I've been overlapped the first circles into the second. Now I'm going to start third line. So second line as the reference, I'd be taking the centers, placing the coin exactly in the center, give complete circle shape marking. The method of marking is so important for this designing. I think this is clear to you now. Having any doubts, you can write to me in the comment section. You can either decrease the size or increase the size as per your requirement, but this much size is very much enough for full sleeves designing. So one after another, overlapping on it, taking the reference, we need to give the markings of the circular shape. This way we have to give the complete markings on the sleeves. As I said, I'd be showing with a simple easy technique. Here I'd be using fabric cone of Camlin brand of radium color or light green color for this outlining. So wherever we have given the circular markings, on that outer lines we have to give with this cone drawing. Ensure to press slightly with your thumb while doing this design so that the uniqueness of the color will spread evenly. This is how the outer lines of the circles has to be created first. The pic I have shown is Ari or the Maggam work pattern, but using that as the reference we are creating with this simple technique. Also we can try like this. This designing is so simple, and for the filling in the center of the circles I'll be using Rangoli glitter cone or Fevicol band, and this is how we have to fill in the center of the circle, slowly dabbing it like this so that you will get the matte finishing in the center of this circle with the glittering gold. The availability of these cones, I have given the details in the description box because most of them were asking where do we get these cones, because now the lockdown is running out. Please do check the description box for the online purchases. Also you can try in tailoring, material shops or the fancy store 3D outliner cones. Though this type of designing will really looks heavy, and if you want to make this to be done outside, it is really very expensive, but using the technique like this you can create with very much less price, also saving your valuable time. And the outlining here I'll be giving with the dark green color like this. I'll be drawing two lines here. This would be on the sleeve opening. In between this I'll be applying the glue line to stick the stone lace. Stone or the work with the gold will really gives rich elegant look. You must try like this. And this is small size of Rangoli kundans. I'll be sticking exactly in the centers wherever I did the matte finishing. And lastly I'll be creating the dots like this with the light green color. Use the contrasted colors which will really matters and that will reflect once the pattern has done. Once completed exactly in this way, this pattern would look. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing